How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So the first thing that I want to tell you is that we won't be using the Messenger app, we'll be using the Facebook app. So just open up your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you do that, go to menu section. And after you're on your menu, you can scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Tap on it, expand on it, and tap on settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down all the way and you'll get to the section that says your information. So right here you will see download your information option 2. Select on it and tap on continue. So after you tap on continue, you'll have to select your account. After you select your account, tap on download or transfer information. Now here select your account, tap on next, and just select the type of information that you want to download. So just tap on that specific information, and here if you scroll down you will see the messages option. Make sure that you do not select anything else, but if you do want the other items and options too, you can tap on that too. After you do that, tap on next, and here you can choose where you want the information in. You can download it to this device or transfer it to something else. So after you do that, you can select your date range. You can make sure that you can select all of your messages, or if you just want last week's messages, you can select last week too. After you do that, tap on save and then tap on create files. So after you do that, it will take some time, but yeah, you can basically request and they will get your information prepared and you can download it. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you recover deleted messages on Messenger. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.